In today's video, I'll show you how to fix D, E, or F drive missing suddenly from your Windows 11 laptop or PC. So to fix it really easily, what you have to do is just go to your File Explorer and open up this PC. In here, as you can see, I have C, D, and E. I also used to have a F drive, but it's currently missing. If you used to have an alphabet drive or any local disk or local drive over here that is currently missing, then I'll show you the easiest way to get it back. So you can go back to your desktop. Now to get it back, what you have to do is just go to your Start, right click on it, and then just click on Disk Management. Then just expand this section. From this section, you'll find a drive partition called Unallocated. Basically, this much space is not allocated to any drive. So that's basically free space that you can use. Now, as you can see, my disk 1 has 500 GB. Out of that, 445 is being used in D drive. And I got almost 20 GBs unallocated. I can just go ahead and make that my F drive. To do that, what I have to do is just right click over here, click on New Simple Volume. Then I'll get this new Simple Volume wizard. This basically helps you to set up your new Simple Volume. Click on Next if you have read everything over here. Then just select the amount of space you want your new Simple Volume to be. You can select 10 GB, 20 GB, or whatever, or just select the highest size. You can select whatever you want, and then just click on Next. After that, you can assign it a drive letter. For example, I'll assign it F, and after that, just click on Next. Then it's gonna ask you for the file system. NTFS is the best one, in my opinion. You can also go for the allocation size, also the label. If you want it to be called something else, you can name it from here. And after that, you can also perform a quick format if you want. And if you want, you can also enable file and folder compression. And then just click on Next. And after that, as you can see, it has opened your new Simple Drive. You can also go to your disk PC and you can hit refresh over here and you'll see your new Simple Drive over here, which is ready to use. And basically, that is how to fix D, E, or F drive suddenly missing from your Windows 11 laptop or PC. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.